These are the Philips Hue light bulbs. They fit all of the normal lamp and electrical sockets that you would normally put a 60-watt light bulb into. You can use them not only in white, but in up to, what does it say? 16 million colors. Wirelessly controllable LED bulbs, dimmable only with Hue compatible devices, richer colors. And boy, do these have some rich colors. These are also Hue bulbs, but they're not the ones that you saw in the box, so we're going to be looking at these. This is what they look like on bright white, and they can be adjusted any one of a number of ways. Let's go for the... There it is. Very, very nice. Let's come down to this, and you can see how when they're matched, you have this great soft golden color to the light. You can also do hues of red, purple, blue. Give me blue. Can you give me like blue? There we go. Blue. I mean, would you take a look at this blue? Honestly, I have to say that I spoil my tenants, and if you want to spoil yourself, I think that this is a great gift that you can give yourself. I think that this is a great gift that you can give to other people also.